assembly plant. We build it all at the assembly plant. You're a him, and she's a her.
I can see what's happening.
What?
And they don't have a clue.
Who?
They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2.
Oh.
Yeah. But you bitch. Back up.
Meep, meep. Meep, meep.
Alakazam! There! You see, I'm an ugly, horrible, grouchy old man!
Squirrel and the magic.
Snack, snore.
What I can't decide.
There, now you see, I'm not a squirrel. I'm a boy.
I mustn't cry.
Your hands full of water. You snort and you snuff and go. Now what the hell?
You old goat. If I ever catch you in
Before you're through, he'll be so mixed up, he'll be wearing his shoes on his head. And has always learned from the past. It's confusing enough, for heaven's sakes. All right. Hand it your way on me.
Oh my god, I think I'm getting a contact high.
Man will fly, all right. Just like a...
I told you not to touch it!
All right, Mr. Know-It-All. Hello, Greedy Needy.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Caress of twilight.
Kiss me, you fool.
Want to have a wizard's duel?
Yes?
If you don't mind, I'll make the rules. Rules indeed. No pink music.
No cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Man, you're cheating. Here now.
Why does this always happen to me?
What does the fox say?
Merlin? No disappearing. Only I can disappear.
I am the walrus. What's going on here?
You big...
Hindenburg.
Just you wait. You're gonna pay.
Nate, the blisters!
Oh, that horrible old bitch. I'll pick her eyes out.
I am very tiny. I'm a germ. I'm called
COVID-19.
And you caught me, Mim! What? In violent sneezing.
Oh, it's serious, madam. You should recover in a few weeks and be as bad as ever.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Knowledge and wisdom is the real power.
And knowing is half the battle.
G.I. Joe!
And I thought you were going to amount to something. I thought you had a few brains.
You broke the globe!
Blow me to Bermuda!
Ignition. Liftoff. Liftoff. 30 minutes after.
Let the tournament begin!
Begging for mercy makes me angry.
Swords? Swords?
What?
I forgot your sword.
Why, you... out of fool! My leg!
A sword! Oh, Archimedes, a sword! He's got to have a sword! Now, come on, quick! Let's get out of here!
Oh, it's the sword in the anvil. The sword in the anvil.
Just like the title of this cartoon.
Then come on, prove it. He-Man! By the power of Grayskull! What's the lad's name? Christopher Robin. Oh, I mean Arthur. Hail
King Arnie!
That's Arthur.
Whatever! He is the true king! Huzzah!
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy, this peace is what all true warriors strive for.
I wish Merlin was here.
My voice. What happened to my voice?
Back from Bermuda and the 21st century. One big modern life.
The 21st century is a very dangerous century.
Alakazam!
So delicious, it's fit for a king.
Commercials.